We are here at the Krystal Clean Car Wash in Boone, Iowa, and this one used to have a DNS 5000 with Jackson dryers, and it did absolutely awful. Seems like they do sort of care about this place.
Yeah.
They have replaced it with a DNS IQ 2.0 Genius touch-free, and I'm here with Car Wash features.
Hello.
Here's your pay station.
I'm really impressed that this place is trying to improve. Like, that's actually a good sign of things.
Here's your wash options. Pause if you'd like to read.
This bay is much nicer than it was before. They have new walls.
Yep, new walls, new flooring.
New dryers. Kind of sad, but... of course, the heart of it all, the all-new DNS IQ 2.0 touch-free.
Soft touch-free.
And soft touch-free. We even...
Tape drive the...
This thing is in really good condition for being brand new.
Yeah. Oh, they didn't seem to get the wheel blasters. Oh wait, they're right there. They use the same chassis as the soft touch. I forgot about that.
Yeah. Well,
there's the sensors, and here's the new Premier dryers.
Yep.
And
how these will do.
As we were poking around this place, we noticed some things.
Hold on, this is the new material for like the elephant ears.
Yeah. Well, we noticed that Jackson dryer right here, but they have an interlock right here.
And this is probably on the chopping blocks. How much would you bet? I wonder if this will get replaced with a touch-free or another soft touch.
I am going to bet a touch-free.
Yeah, I'm going to say the same.
And then if we go under here, you'll be able to see the old system.
Which is still in there.
Yep, still in there. And if I move around this side, this is able to be lifted up. There's the motor in there.
A wasp nest as well.
Mm-hmm, and that little grate right there. Long gone though.
Yeah.
And then the interlock over here, they have some exposed wiring, which if it's still wired up, that is very dangerous.
I bet it is, to be honest. I mean,
can't wait for a lawsuit. Anyways, now let's go through it. Doesn't seem like they've raised the prices.
Please drive forward. 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 Please drive forward.
That's not a good sign.
Please drive forward. Place car in park. Place car in park.
Go around. Oh, it just bangs into the side. That's nice. Thing's gonna start high pressure.
Good idea.
Okay. Wait a minute, no, it hasn't even done the rain bar yet, so it can't be.
Oh, that's true, yeah.
All right, here we go again.
Oh,
Huh. I guess this is the spot for it once.